For this activity, we're going to use the previous activity, 10H. So let's create a report based on it. First, let's create the query. So it is asking us to select all the boats that were bought by the company and have not been sold. So let's stop first over here. We're going to first focus on whatever have been bought, not sold. Yes, so that means I need the data of these that are not null, but I want the data which is null from here, from sold field. So let's now carry on reading the question. So display the make, type, price, date bought, and today's date, and then the number of the days that the boat has been held in stock. So for that, let's go back again over to our database. All right, I have already created here the query. So I have already added these fields. So let's add the last field, which is asking us to the number of the days the boat have been held in stock. So for that, we're going to use the now query, and we're going to subtract it from the boat, and it's going to give us the number of the days. So for that, first put the experiment name, which is going to be days. After that, you're going to put the now query. So now query is going to be like that. Subtract it from exactly this field name, which is going to be between square brackets, and you need to call it both. So now if you had a look, you can see we got it. But as it is days, we do not need to use the decimal. So there are two methods we can do. We can either go and set it to 0 decimal places by right click, properties. We can set it over here, format to be fixed and decimal places to be 0. Or another method we can either do is put the integer over here. So this whole result, I want it to be in integer format. After that, if you run it, you're going to see that it is in days. Okay, there is also one more thing. They told us we want to see the results of the bought and not sold. So as long as I want it to be bought, that means I want it to be with none null. So I want these results. So let's go over here. Let's go to bought, and in bought I want it to be not null. While in days, I want to get the null one. Oh, sorry, I mean in sold, I want to get it the null one. So this is the result of our database or of our query. After that, we're just going to create. Now let's save it. I have already saved it with the name of this name. So let me copy the name, the title, which we're going to put it as a title. So let me just close it. And then just normally, as we have been doing, just go to the report, and then from the report, okay, that's one way that you can make it really fast. So as you can see, we can just design it from here. We don't need this sum. Okay, let's have a look over here. Okay, that's okay. And the sold is empty. You can remove the sold if it is not needed, because it's anyway null. So, but anyway, you can go through the step by step and you can arrange it. And last thing, let me just adjust the name. The name, it could be properly written, and always care about the proper naming in your activities, both that have not been sold. Okay, that's the end of this activity. Let's move to the next one.